morning, everybody. Today I am standing here in front of you to say something about time. What is time? Why time is more important for human being? You know that time is your eyes, your heart, your future, your job. Time is your success. Time will be your future. So please don't waste your precious time. Respect the time. So please don't waste your precious time. Don't lose your hope, your goal, your future. After losing it, if one day you are crying for time, but even it will never peep you again. It will be shy to be back. So make hay while the sun shines. Respect the time and let bright your future to give light the world. Then your country and the world will be proud of you. So be focused. Time is slow when you wait. Time is fast when you are late. Time is deadly when you are sad. Time is short when you are happy. Time is long when you feel bored. Every time determined by your feeling and psychological condition by no clock. Thank you.